Hey tea lovers, it's Christopher Chau here, your go-to tea master from OVP Tea in Singapore. Today, I'm excited to dive into the world of Yixing Zisha Teapots and share with you a consumer's guide to buying the perfect one. When you step into a Chinese tea store, you're greeted with a mesmerizing array of Zisha teapots. But fear not, because I'm here to help you navigate through the sea of options and find the one that suits you best. But first, let's talk about the different types of fake teapots out there. There are slip casting pots, hand-pulled embryo teapots, and locomotive teapots. But today we're focusing on the genuine ones, the handmade Yixing pots, the cream of the crop. Now, let's get down to the basics, testing the water, so to speak. Entry-level Zisha pots start at 160 Singapore dollars and can go up to 600 Singapore dollars or more, depending on various factors like design, artist level, clay, and production methods, etc. Look for pots shaped by hand, using traditional tools, with marks indicating this technique visible on the inside. When buying from reputable vendors like OVP Tea Singapore, don't hesitate to ask to test the porosity of the pot. The skin should be smooth but not glossy, as it develops a unique patina over time from the organic compounds in the tea interacting with the clay. Here's what to look for. Consistent, uniform design, balanced feel when filled with hot water, seamless fit between lid and body, smooth, sturdy stream of water from the spout. Now, let's talk size. Beginners should start with a small teapot, around 150 to 250 milliliters, perfect for serving 2-4 people. If you're hosting larger gatherings, opt for a pot that holds at least 280 milliliters to ensure everyone gets a full cup. Stay tuned for our next videos, where we'll delve into intermediate and advanced topics. Until then, happy brewing.